Good afternoon, Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. I am Dr. Anurag Manna. Today is 4th of the September, Monday. Today we have another set of 5 questions belonging to Medieval India NCERT chapter 16. Once again, I would like to request all of you that kindly solve these questions, because solving these questions is the very foundation of your selection process. Because selection is not a one-time phenomenon. It is not that you get selected in your examination hall. You are really deserving yourself for selection by doing certain activities on a daily basis. So what are those activities which make you really deserving of selection? Solving questions, reading textbooks, and through solving questions you can read textbooks, and that is what my method is all about. You should ultimately read yourself and try to develop the basic concepts, basic understanding of the concepts, and moment you will have the basic understanding of the concepts, you will be able to analyze them, which is the final demand of the civil services examination conducted by UPSC. So let us start with the questions of the day. 4th September 2023, PSSB Monday, Medieval India NCERT chapter 16. Number 1. In context of economic life under Mughals, Khudkast refers to A. Peasants who owned the land they tilled. B. Artisans. C. Tenants. D. Ordinary villagers. Question number 2. Which of the following are cash crops or superior crops? A. Cotton. B. Indigo. C. Sugarcane. D. All. Consider the following statements about peasants under Mughals regime. 1. Peasant was not dispossessed from his land as long as he paid the land revenue. 2. He could sell his land. 3. He was in position to invest for improvement of cultivation. There was 2 was missing. He was in position to invest for improvement of cultivation. Of the above statements, A. Statement 3 is correct. B. Statements 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 3 is incorrect. All are correct. Question number 4. Which Mughal ruler began recruiting Afghans in the nobility? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Jahangir. D. Shah Jahan. Reverse brain drain is linked to Mughals, Lodhis, Tughlaqs, Khaljis. So these are the basic questions, and you should solve these questions. By solving these questions, you will be forced to go through the textbook, because you might be making wrong responses, and making wrong response should not be a matter of depression or anything that you should feel bad about. You should feel excited about that, hey, I am going to learn something new from the textbook. Because when you read textbook, you not only read the correct answer to the questions being asked, you learn many more things, so that you build your reservoir of knowledge, you strengthen your body of knowledge, which can withstand the pressure or the onslaught by UPSC. So kindly solve the questions and come out with flying colors in UPSC civil services examination. I want to see all my students of Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala to come out with the flying colors, and therefore they must engage themselves in these successful activities on a daily basis, regular basis. Go ahead. And once again, I would like to tell you, from month of October I will be giving you essay type questions, also 2 essay type questions per day, and I would like to expect the correct answers from all of you. And on Saturday and Sunday I will be giving you the correct answers to the questions. And from January next year I will be teaching you some topics which are difficult to understand in history, geography, economics, polity. And kindly stay tuned with me, stay focused, stay blessed. God bless to all my students.